Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can add a filter or create a filter to apply it to your tables in your sheets on Smartsheet. So let us dive right into it. So head over to your project sheet within your workspace. Let me go with this project here and let me go with one of these views. For example, let me stick with the Gantt view for the sake of this tutorial. So guys, here next to the current view, you will see that feature filter. So if you hover your mouse over it, you will see create a filter. So simply click into it and create a new filter, like, I don't know, custom filter. I'm not being too creative right now, so make sure that you think of a nice filter here. So you may give it a name here, and you will also show rows that match your filter. For example, select the field from that drop-down menu below, like for example the status or the start date or any of these columns that are part of your sheet. So let me go with the start date, and after that provide some detailed information like the value of the given field, like is greater than, and after that enter the value here to the right. You may also select the second field if you like, or include the parent row. So let me go also with the status, and for example select here is one of or is equal to one of these actions, and here to the right select or enter the value, like status, I don't know, in progress or something like that. And you may also remove any filter you don't want to create by clicking to that X button, and last but not least click into apply to save the given filter. And as you can see, the given filter has been not only created but also applied with the given filter conditions I just entered in that customization. So you will see the custom filter, which in this case here is the one I just created. So you may switch between these by clicking into that drop-down menu and select one of your customized created filters, or create a new one to apply it to your table or Gantt view. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you create and add filters in your sheets on Smartsheet. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.